Guys, I want to believe that you are excited as I am to be here now. Can you imagine that for somebody to be making this one per day without any ads, without any paid ads? You can see here that this is just a 40 lead. This is just a 1,845 clicks. And this is just 1,074 views. And this is what we call CPA marketing. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to also be walking you through how you're going to start making $10 to $50 in a day without running any ads. And when we talk of CPA is just a simple model that you pay to generate leads for businesses. And this CPA and this lead can be maybe they ask you to install app or provincial they will ask to submit email or to as a sort of giveaway of what you are seeing here, or ask people to get a free boost. So most times, CPL network usually provide you with a free tools. They will provide you prevention for you are going to have the CPL and you are going to run a traffic to it and you are going to get leads. There are various ways you can get traffic through CPA. And because of this video, there's what we call tools like content locker, like URL file locker, like smart links, like capital locker and offer wall. So there's a lot and lot and lot depending on the type of a network you choose to work on. However, in the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you what is called smart links tools that we are going to use to start earning free money by sending a freebies to your traffic acquisition tools that is designed for any traffic. The moment you click that offer, the offer is going to click in these smart links will be an offer that is most suitable for him to complete. And this depends on many factors or many metrics or many parameters or many equations. So when they click this smart link, the offer they are going to convert or the offer they are going to complete is going to be more suitable to them. And in as much as this thing is more suitable to them, there's a likelihood that this offer will convert. And in as much you are having a converting high lead, you are going to have a high revenue for yourself. And now, how are you going to get these smart links? For you to get these smart links, we are going to be using the ogr.com, which is another CPA. We can as well use a CPA lead or CPA group or Ablo Media another CPA. So for me not to take much of your time, what we now need to do right now, the moment you sign in or you sign up for this OGRs, the next thing now, you are going to come to this platform. And inside this platform, you are going to see home, you are going to see offer, you are going to see statistics, you are going to see tools, you are going to see reward, you are going to see referral. So here, what you need to do right now, you click on the tools. When you click on tools, you will need to come down. When you click on tools, you are going to see content locker, file locker, capital locker, then smart links, and offer AIP. So what you now need to do right now, you need to click on the smart links. When you click on this smart links, it's going to bring us to this page. And when it brings us to this page, so the next thing now we now need to do right now is just to click on the to create a smart link. When you click create on the smart links, when you get here, it's going to ask you to give the name so that you are not going to forget your smart links here. So thereafter, when you move down, you are going to see redirect your URL to redirect to once the offer has been converted. What they mean here right now, like I told you that the smart links It's always a very an offer that you are going to complete the most offer that is very close to your end. And because of completing it, it is then you are going to get the offer they want to give to you in course of completing that offer. And like I told you, the offer can be must be a very convenient, very exciting offer that whenever anybody see it with you, the person will be very happy because you are completing one somebody's offer for him or her to make money. As well, you are going to be getting the free beats from that thing that you have just converted. So once you have done that one, the next thing now that we need to do, because there's needs for us to put a content that we are going to lock inside here, inside these smart links. And for us to get this offer, we are going to be going to another website. Guys, I want to believe you are enjoying this video and you are too excited. And if that should be the case, what I want you to do for me right now that is not going to cost you any damn is just give me a like and click the like button for many people to get discover this video. And peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time, what I want you to do right now for you to be getting this kind of video like this, you just need to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So what we now need to do right now, we just need to come to this URL, which is another website I promise you, which is what we call hot UK deals. So the first URL is what you are going to click. When you click this one, it's going to bring you to this platform. And as it brought you to this platform now, you are going to see like category, you are going to see discount code, you are going to see you are going to see like freebies, you are going to see this discussion, club, and back to school, blah, blah, blah. So what we now need to do right now, we click on this freebies now. Let's click on this freebies. When we click on this freebies, it's going to bring us to this page right now. If you scroll right down now, let's see the offer we are going to use this time around. Let's just scroll down and see the best offer. You can still see all these offer are just free now. So you have all free other things for you to even come to this site and start making money. So haven't seen those one now. You can see that we are still moving down and these are still free. This free. This is page one. So let's go to page two and see. Maybe I'm just using the one. I'm just looking for the one I can use. So let's move down right now. When we move down, we just move down and see what we can show right now. Oh, let's use this one. Amazon Music, 3 months free of family plan, new subscriber only. Meaning that only new subscriber is going to be benefited from this 3 months free subscriber now. Is it up to 6 account, 100 million strong, new release from a popular artist. So what we now need to do right now, once you can see that this is people that just comment, which is 6 comment right now. If you want to share, you share this one. So let's click on get deals. You click on this one. When you click on that one right now, see the page is going to bring us to. So you can see here right now, it brings us down to this page, and it's saying that this is just it now. That so having opened the free gift now, free biz now, the next thing we now need to do right now, we need to take the URL here. Let's take the URL. When you take this URL here, you copy it. When you copy it, you need to come back to OGR. When you get, you need to go down. You know here it's already saying redirect. We need to put it here. We put it there. Then we put it there. Then we need to name our freebies. Our freebies now is Amazon Music. Amazon Music. So this is Amazon Music. Once you have done that one, the next thing now we need to do right now, we need to come to offer here. So when you get to offer here, you need to click this offer here for us to just click this offer here, which is hard offer. So the next thing we now need to do now, we click payout. On the payout here, yes, the payout here. We click the payout here to be able to get the highest pay. So this is the payout here right now. You can see that we are having a $46 here, $19 here. So you can have this, you can have this, you can also have this, you have this, you have this. You can as well move to the other pay here and have this. So you can see now you have this one. The payout is $15. This is $20. That list is going to be created. So this is our smart link now, which is Amazon Music. So once you have done that one, you need to come back. You need to come back here and see what is in action here. So when you open this one, having opened this one, you are going to click view details. When you click open that one, once you have done that one, just move down. This is the links we are going to put into our landing page. Next thing we are going to be doing now is just to create the landing page. And for us to create the landing page, because I don't want to take much of your time, what I have done here, I just come back here and I screenshot all this page where we're looking at. After doing the screenshotting, I come back to this page here and now just put it here. And if you still want me to do it in your process, not the way I did it, I just need to delete this one. If I delete this one, this thing is already deleted now. I will just need to come back to the uh, email here. When you come back to this email here, you need to upload your image. When you upload your image, this is the image I want to upload here. Then you just open it here. When you open it here, you just need to put it at the top here. And when you put it at the back top here, you just need to stretch your right. Then you put it down here. When you put it down here, this is just the landing page. So the next thing we now need to do now, after we have created the landing page, then we now need to even insert uh, the links, which when our traffic get here, is going to click on this link and it's going to come to this page. So what we now need to do now, we need to re-edit this one. So what we don't have the links here. So the links we are going to put here right now, we need to come back here. And this is the URL we are going to put there. So we need to move, we need to just copy this link. Now when we copy this link here, which is the link to this page right now, just copy that one. When we copy that one, come back here and we now insert it here. And when we just inserted that in there, you just click update. After you have clicked the update now, the next thing you now need to update your website. For you to update your website here, you need to click publish here. When you click to your publish here, it's going to republish this site. So you just need to click this one again. When you click that one again, then once you have completed that one right now, the next thing now you now need to do right now, you need to view your website. To view your website, you need to click on this arrow down. When you click this arrow down, you are going to come back to see publish setting, review changes and publish. View the publish site. So you click on this one. When you click on this one, it's going to bring you to this site. And in the course of bringing you to this site now, the next thing you will now need to do right now, you need to click this one. If you click this one, it's going to take you to this page right now. So let's click this one and see right now. When you click that one right now, this is, you can see that it's already redirected us now. And the moment they got to this page now, what they now need to do now, just need to click this sign up and pay later. You already know that they are going to enjoy this thing for 3 months of a family plan. So they don't need, when they now want to tell them to pay, just they are going to pay zero pounds. So that's just the simple logic behind this. I think you guys, you are enjoying me and you are enjoying this video. And if that should be the case, what I will want you to do for me right now that is not going to even cost you any damn. I want you to give me a like and also give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. In addition, peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time, I also want you to subscribe to this channel so that you are going to be getting this kind of excited and a very informative video like this. And you also subscribe to, you also click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. Once you have gotten your landing page, the next thing that is not remaining for you right now is just to start running traffic to this landing page. We're using to run traffic to this page is what we call YouTube. And if you come to your YouTube search bar here right now, for instance, we put free Amazon Music here. See the volume of people that watch this video, which is 29,000 viewers, and Let's move down. We have a 7.4 thousand viewers, which is how to get the Amazon Music Unlimited. And a provincial, you get 10% of this 7.4 something. You say you are going to make money. So how are you going to go about this? Now you need to record it. You will need to record this page. How are you going to record this page? Then there are some tools I'm going to introduce you to use to record this page. For instance, we have a free screen recorder, no time limit for PC, Lux, and a Mac. So for you to record this one, for you to get this one, you need to click on this one and download it to your system. Maybe peradventure you don't want to use this one, you can also as well use this one, which is a text to speech. And if you are going to use text to speech here, you can as well use this 11 lab. And by the time you use 11 lab here, then you have converted your word to speech, this and that. The next thing now, you just need to come back here. And when you come back here, we are going to start telling them, you are going to start telling them that this is what is going to happen here. So by the time they come back here, you're going to tell them that when they click these links, then they are going to come to this page. And immediately they come to this page, they will need to sign up. And when they sign up, they are going to start enjoying 3 months free of a family plan without paying. So that is just the simple way you are going to start explaining to them. After you have finished explaining this what they are going to enjoy on this Amazon Music Unlimited for 3 months free. The next thing now you now need to do is just to come to your YouTube channel. And when you come to this your YouTube channel, this is just an example of the YouTube I want to use as an example. So the next thing you now need to do now when you get here, you are going to see this plus, and when you see this plus, and all you now need to do, you click here this plus. When you click this plus, it's going to take you to this three sign now. You need to click up recording your video. Now the next thing for you now is just to record it. What you now need to do now, you need to click this plus create here. When you click on that plus create here, you are going to see like upload, you are going to see go live, you are going to see like create a post. So you need to click this upload videos. So you need to click down. When you click on that one, it's going to open like this. And when you open like this, it's going to ask you to select your file, and then you are going to select the file you have already uploaded into your system. After you have done that one, then you need to upload your video into the YouTube. After you have uploaded it to the YouTube, you need to just start watching it to that numbers of people I showed you the other time. So this is just the simple logic behind this 3 months free of a family plan. So, and I want to believe you have gotten enough information in this video. And if that should be the case, and what I will want you to do for me now, that is not even not going to cost you any damn, just click the like button and just give me a like, and also give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And peradventure, you are also you meet us in the course of watching this video, and you have not subscribed to this channel. What I will want you to do right now, that is not going to cost you anything, just subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, be the first person to be notified. And at this point, I want to let you know that I want to bring this video to an end, because I know for sure that you are excited and you have enjoyed this video. And I won't want you to even stop just uploading one video into your channel. Just go to that channel, to the website I took you to, which is hotukdeal.com. So you start uploading different videos there.